You don't hear attraction announced. You feel it slipping through the cracks of ordinary moments. Before we begin, tap the like button if this helps you read situations with clarity. It tells YouTube this video matters and sends it to men who value understanding over guessing. Now imagine this scene. You're mid-conversation. Her smile stays a fraction longer than necessary. When she says your name, her voice drops slightly warmer than before. Something in the air shifts and you can't quite explain why. Most women don't declare interest outright. Attraction shows up quietly in signals most people overlook. Today we'll break down 5 subtle signs of attraction using modern psychology so you stop second-guessing and start seeing clearly. Signal number 1. Her attention keeps circling back to you. Attraction often starts with the eyes. When a woman feels drawn in, her focus repeatedly returns to the same place yours. Even with distractions around, her gaze reconnects again and again. Researchers describe this as sustained mutual attention, a sign of emotional engagement. If eye contact lingers, then breaks with a small smile or soft laugh, that's not coincidence. It's interest trying to stay composed. Eyes reveal what words are trained to hide. When her attention keeps finding you, curiosity is already turning into chemistry. Signal number 2. Her body starts matching your rhythm. This signal happens below conscious awareness when attraction builds. People naturally sync movements. You lean closer, she adjusts forward. You smile, she follows. Even posture aligns over time. Psychologists call this behavioral mirroring. It's the nervous system saying, I'm comfortable here. We don't mirror people we distrust. We mirror those who feel familiar and safe. When alignment happens effortlessly, emotional rapport is already forming. Signal number 3. She creates private space inside public moments. When interest grows, she narrows her focus. Even surrounded by others, she lowers her voice, leans in, or shares comments meant only for you. She laughs hardest at your jokes, or looks to you first when something happens. This is selective attention. Emotionally, you're becoming her reference point. When the world fades briefly and you're still there, that connection is real. Signal number 4. She touches herself instead of you. This surprises many men. Early attraction often creates nervous energy. To release it, she may adjust her hair, brush her neck, play with rings, or smooth her clothes while talking. These gestures are known as displacement behaviors, small movements that regulate arousal and anticipation. When her hands keep returning to herself, it's often a prelude to deeper openness or playful flirting. Signal number 5. Light touch that feels accidental, but isn't. This is the strongest cue. A brief hand on your arm, a soft nudge, a shoulder brush, a hug held just a second longer than expected. Psychology calls this kinesthetic escalation, the bridge between comfort and desire. The first touch isn't about intensity, it's about trust. When she initiates contact, emotional closeness is already accepted. So remember, this attraction lives in patterns, not statements. It's in where she looks, how she moves, and what she does when she thinks you're not noticing. Confidence grows from observation, not pursuit. Men who understand this don't chase signals, they recognize them. And when you stop forcing outcomes, connection often arrives naturally. If this helped you see things differently, like the video, and let YouTube know this perspective matters. And subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory for weekly insights into psychology, behavior, and meaningful connection.